off the forehead. I think that stuff's a little brittle. She may be old, but at least she's strong. Oops. I'm gonna break this freaking handle on the frame bits. That pain. Dude, he's rolling in. Oh wait, that's the wrong thing. Honk your horn! I don't know what he's gonna do, just take the throttle. Look like a little old... I want to hit it too hard because if it goes through, I want to. This jack handle's already broken. It's got zip tape and a Sprite bottle holding it together. That's interesting. Holding on to the tail light. Crap. Okay, well, we'll deal with that another time. And I guess for now, I'll just get some mass off of it and drop her at the bottom. Whew! Tell ya. Isn't it such a weird sensation with the front wheels being behind you? It just turns.
Yeah,
like,
and you're just
you don't
over.
turn the vehicle.
The vehicle
turns you.
Dude, it's crazy.
That's actually an accurate depiction. When you're in a normal vehicle, you turn it and it kind of
Takes you.
But if you're in this vehicle, you turn it and you just kind of like.
Yeah, that was a weird feeling. Ah, nice. Steady flow of water. I mean, brown water.
Black water.
Yeah.
Ah, crap! I didn't grab the other hand. Oops. Oh well. Good. You keep vibrating it, and I keep dropping it.
Well, some of these just don't fucking come off. How would you do this?
Is that rust or more screws?
You're just cleaning it at this point.
I caught the last few, I think.